Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Brandon's writing lesson. So excited to see everybody here today. So guys, we are going to get started with our writing today. And as always, we're going to take out our supplies first, right? So go ahead and pause the video and take out a pencil and a piece of paper and we will get started here. So pause the video and take out a pencil and a piece of paper and we'll get started writing. All right, guys, so we have our supplies out. We are ready to go now. So, scholars, we have been talking about capitalization this week. So, we talked about capitalization yesterday, and today we're going to talk about it again. So, scholars, what are the three things that we always capitalize in a sentence? So, the first one is we capitalize the first letter in the sentence, right? So, the first letter in the sentence. The second one is if it's a person's name. The third one is, can you guys think of it? So we always capitalize the word I. So we always capitalize the word I, right? So guys, I wrote a sentence here and something in the sentence is not correct. So we need to fix the capital letter of the sentence. So one of these letters needs to be capitalized. Can you see which one it is? So what do we think about this letter right here to start off the sentence? So letters to start off the sentence always need to be capitalized, right? Why does this letter also need to be capitalized? Why does the word I need to be capitalized? The word I always needs to be capitalized, right? So guys, we need to capitalize this letter I to start off the sentence. So now we have a capital I have a red pen. So that sounds right. All right, guys. So let's get started with our writing response today. So as always, I'm going to go over what is required of you guys when you answer these writing prompts, okay? So I'm going to go over what is required of you when you answer these writing prompts. All right, scholars, so let's go over what I expect from your writing responses. So, kindergarten, as always, we are going to be writing four-sentence response. So, kindergarten, you're going to be writing a four-sentence response in first, next, and last order, responding to the prompt that I give you here in just a second. So you're going to be giving me a response to the prompt that I give you here in just a second. And guys, also as always, we're going to pay attention to spacing. Make sure that there's a one finger distance in between each word, and capitalization, like we've been discussing this week, punctuation, like we've discussed last week, and lastly, make sure you're paying attention to spelling so that you're getting everything spelled correctly. Now, first grade, you're going to be doing the exact same thing, except you're going to be writing a five-sentence paragraph in first, next, and last order, responding to the prompt. So, first grade, you're going to be doing the same thing, but writing me a five-sentence paragraph responding to the prompt. All right, guys, so now that we know what's expected of us, let me give you an example of how you could respond to the writing response today. Or, I'm sorry, to the writing prompt today. So, scholars, I'm going to read for you a response that I wrote to the writing prompt. So I wrote, I was bored at home a week ago. No one was around to play with. I tried watching a movie, but that did not help. I was still bored. I went outside and went for a walk. That seemed to help. So can anyone think of the emotion that I was experiencing in that story? I'm sure you guys can. The emotion that I was feeling was boredom. Boredom is when nothing seems interesting to you. So boredom is when nothing seems interesting to you. So scholars, do you ever feel like you just can't find something interesting to do? Right? So I was bored in that story. So scholars, have you ever felt bored? I'm sure you have. So scholars, let's write about it today, okay? So our writing prompt is going to be, tell me about a time when you felt bored. So write about a time where you felt bored. So as always, kindergarten, you're going to be writing four sentences in first, next to last order. Guys, pay attention to telling me who was there, which characters were in the story. Make sure you're also telling me where this took place. Where was the setting? Were you at home? Were you somewhere else? And lastly, guys, I want to know the events that took place. All right, and first grade, you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to write a one paragraph, five-sentence paragraph. All right, guys. All right, guys, you did a great job today with your writing. So, guys, I look forward to reading your writing responses next week. So, make sure that you're putting a lot of effort into them and doing the best that you can do, okay? And also make sure you're still getting on Lexia and Zern each day and doing the guided reading calls. They're really important to continue growing your brains. All right, guys, well, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you again tomorrow for another writing lesson.